Hi everyone, good evening. My name is Carol Lill and I have your son or daughter in our new social media marketing class. It is a one semester elective and this is the first semester that we've offered it, so we're pretty excited about it. I'm going to share some information with you tonight on how you can contact me, what our syllabus is all about, and also some different enrichment opportunities that your child can take advantage of. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So first of all, if you would like to get in touch with me, the easiest thing, especially during this situation, is to contact me via email, and I'm happy to give you a call if you would like to talk about something one-on-one. A little bit about me: I attended Bloomsburg University. I was a business education major there, and I have my master's degree in educational technology from Rosemont College. I've been teaching at East High School for 24 years, and my first teaching job was in Lower Merion School District at Harridan High School. As we mentioned a little bit before, we're really big into DECA at East High School, and I'm a big fan as well. I've been a DECA advisor for over 20 years, and in addition to that, I've attended the DECA AMPed Leadership Conference for advisors a couple different times, one time in Miami, Florida, and this past summer in a virtual situation, which was still really amazing and enjoyable. In addition to that, I've also been a presenter at the state and international level in the different advisor academies that they have. So this past summer, I'm sure it was a little different for you as it was for me. We spent a lot of time together with our family. This is our daughter, Morgan. She's a junior at the University of South Carolina. She's a marketing major in the Darla Moore School of Business, and she's very happy to be the Westchester East University of South Carolina liaison. That's not a real title. And this is our son, Gavin, on the right-hand side, and Gavin is a junior at East High School, so it's completely fine if you feel a little bit sorry for him that he has to go to school where his mom is a teacher. So in this class, as we mentioned, this is the first semester that we're offering it. I'm very excited to be the teacher of this program. I've taught marketing for several years here, and through our marketing program, we've done as much as we could with social media marketing, but we're incredibly excited to be able to offer it as a standalone course. In addition to being able to offer it as a standalone course, we're also thrilled that we're able to offer the Stu Kent online marketing simulation. Through this program, your child will have an online textbook and also be able to have access to one of the first of its kind social media marketing simulations. It's an unbelievable thing that will give the students different types of data analytics that we'll be able to analyze in class with regards to different demographics, posting on different social media platforms, and also taking a look at different times of day as well as content that they've posted. So I think that they're really going to enjoy that when we get to it. These are some of the different topics that we're going to be covering. I'm sure that when you see them, you can identify that there are a lot of the very popular social media platforms. But please don't worry. We are definitely not making TikTok videos in this class. Our entire focus of this class is the business use of social media marketing. One of the facts that the students had in one of their beginning chapters is that 90% of all marketing managers implement social media marketing into their overall marketing plan. So it's definitely not something that we're just making music videos and doing Snapchats. Along with our regular curriculum, I always like to try to offer something a little above and beyond in all of the classes that I teach. So we call these enrichment opportunities. Enrichment meaning that your child can take advantage of it if they would like, but they definitely don't have to. So the two different opportunities that we have for your child in this class this semester, the first one on the left-hand side is working with the Westchester Area School District Communications Department to make social media posts for East High School athletics and activities. Although everything looks a little different this year, we still have different things that we can do with this program. On the right-hand side, what we're also going to be working with, and we have a few different details that we have to iron out, is working with the Artisan Exchange in Westchester, which is a program that helps food entrepreneurs and local food startups get started, and our students are going to be working with some of those local companies to provide social media posts for them as well. So as we mentioned a little bit before, that we're a really big school with DECA. DECA is an organization for students that have an interest in different areas of business, and by being in a business class, your child can get involved with this program if they would like, but they are not required to. It doesn't impact their grade. It's a completely extracurricular program. So what you're taking a look at right now is our 2020 DECA sticker on the left-hand side that was designed by a student last spring. And then also, if you would like to follow us on any social media, these are our different social media profiles right down here. Moving on from there, obviously this is a little bit of a different year with DECA, so we've had to be pretty creative and figure out ways that we can still bring a lot of value to our program that we've been so proud of. These are 6 different new initiatives that we're going to be offering to our students this year, and they range from community service to leadership and also different competitive events. One of the things we're most excited about is our new mentorship program that is going to pair experienced DECA members with brand new members, no matter what grade they're in. If you would like to learn a little bit more about our DECA program, we're offering a live Zoom on October 7th at 7 o'clock. Your children are hearing about all of this information in class, so oftentimes they probably don't have as many questions as you might have. If your child is a returning DECA member, there's no need to attend this Zoom session unless you just really like to come and share your experience. So to wrap up things for this evening, your child is in our social media marketing class. My contact information is email is best for me at clill@wcasd.net. Thanks very much for your time tonight, and please contact me with any questions that you may have.